Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous videos we have completed the explanation of our chapter number 4 from our supplementary reader book In the Kingdom of Fools. Now today we will do the think about it. Now go to the question number 1. What are the two strange things the Guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? Answer is, the Guru and the disciple found that in the kingdom of fools, people used to work during nights and sleep during days. Everything was cheap and cost the same. Question number 2. Why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? Is it a good idea? Answer. Everything was cheap in the kingdom of fools. The disciple had peculiarity of diet. He was tempted by the cheap food, so he decided to stay in that kingdom. It was not a good idea to stay there for a long time, as one could be in danger anytime because of the unpredictable behavior of fools. Question number 3. Name all the people who are tried in the king's court and give the reasons for their trial. Answer. The owner of the house, that is the merchant, the bricklayer, the dancing girl and the goldsmith were tried in the king's court. They all were tried because the thief died when the wall of merchant's house had collapsed. The merchant was tried for building a weak wall. The bricklayer was tried for doing his work carelessly. The dancing girl was tried for disturbing the concentration of the bricklayer. The goldsmith was blamed for making the dancing girl walk up and down to his house a dozen times. Question number 4. Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? Answer. The merchant's dead father was held responsible for making the wall weak. But according to the king, the rich merchant was the real culprit because he had inherited both sins and riches of his father. He escaped the punishment because he was too thin to fit the stake. Question number 5. What are the Guru's words of wisdom? When does the disciple remember them? Answer. The Guru was full of wisdom and knew well that the unpredictable behavior of the fools could create danger anytime. The Guru's words were, "They are all fools. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do to you next." The disciple remembered them when he was arrested by the men of the king to execute merely because he fitted the stake. It was because of the Guru's words of wisdom that the execution was postponed. Question number 6. How does the Guru manage to save his disciple's life? Answer. The Guru arrived on time to save his disciple and created a drama. He told the king that it was not an ordinary stake and whoever went to the stake first would become the king in next life. The second to die would become his minister. The king wanted to avail himself of the opportunity. The Guru and his disciple were released. Thus, the Guru managed to save his disciple's life. Students, here are some short answer questions carrying 2 marks each, about 30 to 40 words. Question number 1 is, why were the people of the kingdom confused when they saw the dead bodies of the king and his minister? Answer. The people of the kingdom were confused as to how their king and minister were dead instead of the Guru and the disciple. The people were not able to see through the plan which was executed by the Guru against their king and minister. Question number 2. When does the disciple remember the words of his Guru? Answer. The disciple did not pay any heed to the advice of his Guru. When the Guru asked him to leave the kingdom of fools, when the king decided that the disciple was the suitable person for execution, he remembered the words of the Guru. So students, here we complete the question answer of our lesson number 4 in the kingdom of fools. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.